I'm going to give you my secret to drinking more water. It's Wyler's Light. I use these packets every day, and honestly, I don't drink water without them. I used to struggle with drinking enough water, but now I find myself actually reaching for my water bottle. With zero sugar and only 5 calories, I'm not loading up on junk. And the flavors? If you're not into peach iced tea like me, you can try lemonade or something fruity like cherry or fruit punch. There's really something for everyone. So if you're looking for a simple way to stay hydrated without the sugar crash, Wyler's Light is it.